Today we are going to learn how to create our first web page. That you should start with the folder. Shift Control N. After that, it's my first web page, so I need one folder structure. I created. Here I wanted an image folder inside that. After that, I need one CSS folder. After that, I need one index file. So we will create using Notepad. Just run and take the note. Here I just wanted to say hello. So this will appear on the web page. It's a big question, is it? If you type in Notepad, will it work? And definitely, we should change the format. That's all. Now it is in the Notepad format. This extension. Now it's index.html. And go back, find your folder, there you save it. That's all. Here we go. If you like this video, please click on like button. Also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.